We're happy you enjoyed our last video tutorial about the best smart money indicator on TradingView. So, we decided to make another video featuring a free price action concepts indicator that in fact is much better than some premium tools out there. This indicator was released not long ago, so not many traders have heard of it. But you're in luck, because here, on Magic Indicator Strategies, you can find the latest trading tools and profitable trading strategies no one knows about. In this in-depth video tutorial, I will give you detailed instructions on how to turn this indicator into a profitable trading strategy, which will put you so far ahead of your competition. Let's get started. As usual, before we begin, I would like to emphasize that this technical analysis indicator can be used for trading highly volatile cryptocurrencies, stocks, and Forex pairs. The most suitable time frames for this indicator are 15 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours. It can also be used for scalping, however, I would not recommend it for shorter time frames than 5 minutes. To install this indicator on your chart, simply log into your TradingView account and open any market. Currently, I am monitoring the Bitcoin price chart on the 15-minute time frame. Open the indicators and search for price action concepts by Hunter Algos. If you're already familiar with smart money concepts, this script will be simple and easy to understand. It has multiple features that help analyze market prices on a much deeper level. Before proceeding with these features, let's open the indicator settings and enable the plot candle option and bar colors. The chart will become more beautiful and neat as a result of this change. In the indicator inputs, you also have the option to plot multi-time frame highs and lows on the chart. You can enable daily, weekly, monthly, and even yearly key levels. This feature alone sets this tool apart from other free indicators on TradingView. For example, let's just enable daily highs and lows. The blue pivots on the chart are the high and low prices the market formed in the last 24 hours. This is very helpful because we can see the range the market has been moving in. These psychological levels can often be hard to break. Another super significant feature of the price action concepts indicator is the volumetric order blocks. Unlike regular order blocks on the chart that only show chunks of buy or sell orders of a particular asset at a specific price level, volumetric order blocks also display the volume inside each order block. They give more in-depth information about the order block, such as the dominance of buyers or sellers and the amount of trading volume around this price. By knowing this, you can anticipate how likely the price would react to a particular order block in the future. Let me give you a practical example. But before that, if you're tired of losing and looking for proven indicators professional traders use, I highly recommend checking out Easy Algo. Their team has coded some of the most advanced technical analysis tools available on TradingView, but this is only the tip of the iceberg. On the Easy Trades VIP Discord community, you can copy profitable trading signals, get help passing funded challenges, and learn dozens of high win rate strategies that will serve you for a lifetime. This is an excellent investment in yourself as a trader. If you're serious about your goals, join the Easy Trades family today and thank me later. Take a look at this chart. First of all, I want you to notice how the market struggles to break daily highs and lows. We see one fake breakdown followed by an immediate price increase. Lots of retail traders went short here and lost their positions. It is because they didn't see a strong bullish order block positioned just below this breakdown. This level has a dominant buying volume inside of it. It acts as a demand zone, or the price where buyers are interested in purchasing the security. As a result, when the price approached this level, buyers jumped in and pushed it up. Now check out what happens next. It appears that the price is struggling to break above the daily high. It also is near a bearish order block formed a while ago. It is obvious to us that this level has higher sellers' volume. Based on the technical analysis we have done, the price is expected to fall. Let's see if our prediction is correct. Indeed, the market found strong resistance at this bearish order block, which led to a price decrease. Now you see how effective volumetric order blocks can be for technical analysis. Now let's discuss the rest of the indicator features. Those include market structure labels such as bullish and bearish change of character and break of structure. Here's how it works. If the previous high is broken for the first time after a downtrend, the indicator recognizes it as a bullish change of character. When this happens, the candlesticks change color from red to dark green. In other words, this is a mild buy signal. If the high gets broken again after a change of character, the indicator marks it as a break of structure. Candlesticks become light green. This type of buy signal is safer since it indicates trend continuation. On the other hand, if the previous low is broken for the first time after an uptrend, the indicator identifies it as a bearish change of character. If the low gets broken for the second time after a change of character, the indicator flags it as a break of structure. With this indicator on your chart, you can see market trends easily. However, not many traders know how to trade with this indicator effectively. I've tested many strategies with it, but the one I'm about to teach you gets the best results. For this strategy, I recommend adding another indicator to the chart. Every trader knows this tool. It is called Stochastic RSI. If for some reason you don't like using this tool, you can trade with this strategy without it. However, adding Stochastic RSI to the chart will help you find better entries, especially if you're a beginner. Now let's combine the price action concepts indicator and Stochastic RSI into one trading strategy. The strategy rules are simple. You buy when the following conditions are met. First, there is a bullish structure break indicated by the Price Action Concepts tool. Second, the price pulls back to an order block. Buying volume must be greater than selling volume inside the block. Third rule, during a pullback, the stochastic RSI must become oversold. A buy trade is initiated when there is a bullish cross on the stochastic indicator. It is recommended to place a stop loss a couple of pips below the order block. Profit target is at least 1.5 times the risk. Here's one more example of a long trade. Make sure you pay close attention and follow every rule. Remember, you should start preparing to buy as soon as a BOS label is printed. Opening a trade on a breakout is not the best idea since the price might be too high. That's why we wait for a discount or a pullback to an order block. Buying here is cheaper. You also need to make sure an order block has more buyers than sellers in it. If there is a dominance of sell orders, you do not open a trade. Lastly, check the stochastic RSI indicator for oversold conditions. Open a long trade as soon as the stochastic blue line crosses above the orange line. Set the stop loss below the order block. This is to protect yourself from liquidity grabs. To sell the security with this strategy, you first need to wait for the bearish break of structure. The following step is to look for a better price to sell the security at. Since we already know, the market often returns to order blocks before continuing the trend. Just make sure the bearish volume inside the block is greater than the bullish volume. Finally, check the stochastic RSI for overbought conditions. As soon as the orange line crosses the blue line, you can open a short trade. Place a stop loss above the order block. For a take profit, target no less than 1.5 times the risk. Traders, I hope you understand this trading strategy. Make sure you do thorough testing on a demo account first. Get used to seeing these trade opportunities instantly. Only then should you try this method on a live account. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.